Welcome back, fellow mutants. I'm the Custodian, and I'll be reviewing Skinny Cow ice cream bars on this week's episode of Mutant Chisel Labs. I'm filming this week in the Environmental Learning Center, which is located in Point Defiance Park, and it's one of two schools here that are part of Tacoma Public Schools Science and Math Institute. This one, the Environmental Learning Center, happens to be the school that I work at. So I'm very familiar with the layout here, and that's kind of the reason why I chose this. Speaking of choices, I chose Skinny Cow ice cream bars. Never tried them before, so this will be a blind product review. But my late stepmother, Lisa Sins, swore by these, and she was a very smart woman, so I'm going to give them a try and let you know what I think. With the Skinny Cow bars, I chose the Oh La La chocolate truffle. And these bars have 120 calories each, 12 grams of sugar. They have 17 grams of carbohydrates, so I don't think they're a really good keto choice, but just for your average watching what you eat and dieting, I think they're a good choice as far as what's inside them. But let's open this up and get one out. There's 6 bars in here. You can find these at most grocery stores. I got these at Safeway. I've also seen them at Albertsons. That's up here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm gonna put this right here, and we're gonna take the bar out. I think they're getting a little melty because I've been messing around too long. But that's what the bar looks like. It's medium size. I wouldn't say it's huge, but for 120 calories, it's not a bad size. So there's no hard chocolate cover on this one. This is just soft ice cream with a drizzle of chocolate. And I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, yeah, that's good. That is good. Very chocolatey, very smooth, very soft. Although these have been thawing out while I've been filming, so. But yeah, that's really good. You wouldn't be able to tell that that's low fat or, low fat chocolate ice cream. So, I give it a big thumbs up. All right, well, as far as the Custodian goes, they get my seal of approval. Delicious, not too fattening, and a treat, a reward, if you will. So I'm just gonna have one more little bite here. Okay, well, that's my review of Skinny Cow Oh La La chocolate truffle bars. Low fat sugar, but they don't taste low fat. They're delicious. So we'll see you next week.